Hello guys, welcome back. Some time ago on one of my live streams, someone complained that he earned just $10 from a video that got him about 60,000 views. Typically, a video with 60,000 views could earn you over $100. That's typically on YouTube. But his case was so different, and this video doesn't have any copyright issues. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the top paying niches on YouTube, why YouTube pays so much for videos in these niches, and if you are planning or contemplating creating a YouTube channel, what you should expect from the kind of videos you make on your channel. Before you can start earning on YouTube through ads placed on your videos, you must reach the YouTube Partner Program threshold, which is 1,000 subscribers or any of the 4,000 watch time hours in 12 months or 10 million short views in 3 months. So when you reach this threshold, you'll be eligible to apply for YouTube monetization. And when YouTube accepts you into their partner program, then you can start earning from ads placed on your videos. Now you need to understand that all ads or all views are not paid equally. So this is where niches and the type of audience your channel or your videos attracts comes in. Before you start uploading videos on YouTube, you must know that your videos will fall into at least one of these categories. That is entertainment, educational, or inspirational. There's this general belief that YouTube pays only on the type of videos you make on your channel. Sometimes this is not the case, because YouTube will also pay you based on how much advertisers are willing to pay to place ads on your videos to reach a targeted audience. So sometimes YouTube will pay you based on the type of audience your videos attract. So some of the factors could include the location where your audience are watching from, the age bracket of your audience, and also how disposable are their income. There is this general belief that videos in entertainment niches doesn't perform very well, that is revenue wise, compared to videos in other niches. Sometimes this is not the case. So I'm going to show you the analytics of a comedy video and compare it with a tutorial video. So here on the screen is a tutorial video, that is a fashion tutorial video with 51,000 views, and it earns just $29. When you check on the revenue tab, you will discover that advertisers paid $1.79 for every 1,000 views, and the owner of this video earned just 58 cents for every 1,000 views on this video, which now equals to $29 for 50,000 views. Now I want us to compare it with this comedy skit video. This comedy skit video got equally around 50,000 views but earned $68. Now when you check on the revenue tab, you will find out that advertisers paid $6.68 for every 1,000 views, and the owner of this video got $1.38 for every 1,000 views. So this equals to $68.98 for 50,000 views. From the analytics, you can see that they got the same number of views, but the earnings were different. So let's now check the audience, where the audience were watching from. So when we check on the comedy video, we can see that 20% of the audience were from the United States, 7% from Brazil. And when we check the tutorial video, from the audience tab, we can see that over 50% of the audience were from Nigeria. So Nigeria is a developing country or developing economy, while the United States is a developed economy. If your audience are watching from these developed economies, there's every tendency that you are going to earn more among people in your niche. In a recent post I shared on our community tab, 47% of you voted that if you can earn $500 a month on YouTube, you can do it full time. And 37% of you voted that with $2,000 or more in a month, you can do YouTube full time. So I'm going to go with the majority, that is the $500 a month. I know some of you from the Western countries, you'll be surprised at how can someone have a living with $500 a month. To put it in a better context, you can use $500 to rent a one-room apartment for 12 months. So if you are okay with $500 a month to go on YouTube full-time, the next question you need to ask is, how many views can you pull so that you can make this $500 on your channel? Now, I'm going to start with the largest niche, probably the largest niche on YouTube, which is gaming. So if you are running a gaming channel, for you to get $500 a month, you should be getting about 1 million views to earn $500 a month. So the next is faith-based music videos, just anything religious and musical videos, like our popular artists, those kind of music videos. To earn $500 a month on your channel, you should be getting about 500,000 views on your channel. Then the next is movie reviews, storytelling, music tutorials, comedy skits, and pranks. So all this also fall into entertainment niche. So if you are into this category, for you to earn $500 a month on your channel, you should be pulling like 300,000 views a month on your channel. The next set of videos are lifestyle, parenting and family, fashion and beauty, skincare, and fitness. So for you to earn $500 a month from this type of videos, you should be getting about 200,000 views on your channel. If you are into the next set of videos I'm going to mention, for you to earn $500 a month on your channel should be getting about 100,000 views a month. So this type of videos includes self-development videos, productivity hacks, minimalism living, health and medicals, traveling, and also vlogging. So talking about traveling and vlogging, your location or where you are talking about your destination will determine how much you can earn. Either you can earn above this or earn below it. Finally, these are some of the top paying niches on YouTube. They are making money online, personal finance and investments, crypto and forex, computer programming, and cloud computing. Then the last on top of them is digital marketing. For you to earn $500 from this type of content, that is, if you are into this type of content, for you to make $500 a month, that means you can get as little as 50,000 views to earn $500 on your channel. If you are doubting these numbers, I will show you the analytics of one of my videos in this niche. So this video has 27,000 views and it has given my channel about $388. So let's go to the revenue tab. You can see here that advertisers paid $30 for 1,000 views. Mind you, this is double digit. The RPM is $14. That is, YouTube paid me $14 for every 1,000 views on this video. I will show you an example of a typical making money online videos on my channel. Like this video, I talked about AdSense. I know AdSense is another way of making money on YouTube. When you check on this video, currently this video has 20,000 views on my channel and it has given me $233. Now, let's check the revenue tab. This is a video on AdSense and advertisers paid over $24 for every 1,000 views on this video. And YouTube paid me $11.22 for every 1,000 views, which now equals to $233 for 20,000 views. When you make a basic calculation, you agree with me that with 50,000 views in a month, you can earn $500 a month. So now I will quickly show you a vlogging video, because YouTube doesn't pay you based on your channel, but it pays you based on the kind of videos you make on your channel. I made an experiment by doing a vlogging where I went with a young friend to buy a computer, a laptop somewhere in Lagos, Nigeria. So when you check the views on this video got 5,000 views with $8. This is on a tech channel. That is, the videos I do here are among the top paying niches. But when you check the revenue, you can see that it's advertisers pay only $3 for this kind of videos, and this video is over 10 minutes long, and YouTube paid me just $8 for almost 5,000 views. So you see that it's not based on your channel. YouTube doesn't pay you based on your channel, but based on the type of video you make on your channel. So I made a vlogging video and YouTube paid me less for that video. And when I make a digital marketing video or a make money online video, YouTube would pay me higher. Now that you have gotten an idea of how much you can earn on YouTube based on the type of video you make on your channel, how easy it is for you to get this number of views to earn your dream amount. That is, if it is $500, $1,000, $2,000 or $5,000 and above. Please, I would like you to share your thoughts in the comment section. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and also share to other content creators. You can share this video so that they can have an idea of how much they can make on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.